lightning show. Pretty impressive. Woo! Holy crap, we're going. That's nothing. There have been much worse ones. I'm a little bit terrified because the lightning's happening all around us. And I just don't want any close ones, you know. I got a guy behind me that wants to hurry to his accident, so he can hurry on to his accident. This guy right there, and the Nissan, they're the most, the rudest drivers I've found. The Nissan takes the prize for the most rude drivers. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god, the car in the left lane just got, oh my god, these people are freaking out. They can't handle a lightning. Everybody's completely freaking out. They're getting out of their lanes and everything. It's terrible. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Holy shit. This is horrendous. Wow. I know how to pick them. I had a car in the left lane coming into my lane, and I had a car in the right lane coming into my lane. Because maybe they're, you know, maybe they can't see so good. Maybe their wipers are bad, you know. But it happened. Oh! Oh my god, that was huge. Wow. Whoa, my goodness. Wow. Yeah, this is the kind of lightning that produces tornadoes. Look, people are stopping and pulling over, or possibly there's been an accident. There's people pulling over here. There's like 5 or 6 cars pulled over under the overpass. They're probably just getting out of the storm. Whoa, yeah, this is pretty horrendous. Look, that car right there just came into my lane. The guy in the middle lane just came over into my lane. Everyone's trying to put their flashes on. Everyone's freaking out. It is scary, but you know, just keep your act together, you know? My God. Woo! My goodness. Pretty horrendous. I'm doing like 46 miles an hour or so. Woo! My goodness. Wow. Awesome light show, man. Awesome. Look at that. Holy guacamole. Woo! You can hear the thunder. Whoa, man. That's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome show from Mother Nature. Oh, did you hear that thunder? Ooh. Ooh. It sounds like, you know what? It sounds like 4th of July fireworks. That's how big the booms are. Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, snap. I just want to make it home. Woo. What the hell is this guy doing? What the hell are you doing, dude? Look, he was on my side of the road. I'm making a right-hand turn in the rain, and he's sitting on my side of the road. I'm so glad I was recording. What a retard! What an imbecile! I mean, wow. That really takes the cake for me. And that's why when you're driving, you have to be like a spider, you know? It's like Call of Duty Zombies, you know? You literally have to be looking for everything. So the other day, oh my God, that was big. I turned on this road right here, and there were three bicycles right in front of me. They saw me coming up, they saw me turning, it was pitch black nighttime, and they were in the middle of the street, and they weren't little kids, they were adults. And I'm kind of looking at them like, what are you thinking? You know, what are you thinking? Wow! Oh my God. I feel like I'm gonna be hit by lightning, oh my God. I swear, I wanna get home, oh my God. I feel like I'm gonna get struck by lightning. God bless. Oh Jesus. Woo! This is terrible. This is the kind of weather that spawns tornadoes. Oh! My God. Oh my God. Well, this has been a very exciting trek home, to say the least. Wow, I had a guy sitting on my side, just approaching me in my lane. He came out of the gas station, and I don't know what he was thinking. I would like to have a conversation with that guy. Wow. Woo! Whoa! Oh my goodness. Wow. This is amazing. We never get storms this bad. Unless it's a hurricane, you know. The hurricanes are very, very much like this. Except with very, very high winds. This has been a pretty terrifying ride home, though, I have to say. I really feel like I'm going to get hit. There's too much lightning. It's all around me. It's pretty terrifying. Woo! Wow-wee! My goodness. I'm glad I didn't have to stop for gas or anything. That would have been pretty horrendous. I have reached my destination. I thought I'd share my horrifying ride home in this horrific, deadly storm. Ah! Oh my God. Maybe I won't make it into the house though. Wow. That was pretty bad. That lightning was pretty bad. Yeah. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. Woo! I'm backing up into my covered parking right now. And thank you guys for checking out my horrific trip home. And I'll see you soon. Super Shiro signing out. Whoop whoop.